Why does your scanner show the P0459 engine code? What does it mean? P0459 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission System purge control valve circuit high. This engine code indicates that this usually indicates a faulty purge control valve or a problem with the wiring or other components in the EVAP system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: purge control solenoid problems, hoses and canister issues, fuel tank pressure sensor problems, PCM issues. Other potential causes: each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in such as GM vehicles like Subaru and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.